Learning Toolkit.
Today we're going to learn how big the dinosaurs were. Let's start with Tyrannosaurus rex, the most famous of all the dinosaurs. T-Rex was as big as a bus and could run as fast as one. It weighed as much as 4 fully grown rhinos. It also had the most powerful bite of any land animal ever. To learn more about the ferocious T-Rex, just click up here. Next is Brachiosaurus. Brachiosaurus was huge. It was as tall as a semi-trailer truck is long. It weighed as much as 5 fully grown elephants. While Brachiosaurus walked on all fours, it could also stand up on 2 to eat from higher trees. To learn more about this huge dinosaur, click up here. Who's next? It's the star of Jurassic World, Velociraptor! Despite what you see in the movies, they were roughly the size of a turkey. And about as long as a full-size bed. How much did a Velociraptor weigh? They only weighed 15 kilograms. That's about the weight of 2 small dogs. Velociraptor walked on 2 legs and had 1 large claw measuring 3 inches long on each of its feet. To learn more about this speedy dinosaur, just click here. Now it's the friendly giant, Stegosaurus. Stegosaurus was as big as a bus. But even though it was huge, it had a tiny brain. It was only the size of a walnut, so it wasn't too smart. To learn more about Stegosaurus, click here. Next is Ankylosaurus. Ankylosaurus was also a big friendly giant, and it was as long as a bus. It weighed as much as 2 fully grown hippos. Ankylosaurus was a herbivore, which means it ate leaves and plants, but it had to eat them low on the ground so they were easy to reach. To learn more about this tough armoured dinosaur, click here. Now we've got a long one, Diplodocus. Diplodocus was one of the longest dinosaurs ever. It was as long as nearly 4.5 buses. How heavy was a Diplodocus? It was as heavy as a dump truck. It could use its long tail just like a whip. And scientists think it could actually break the sound barrier with it. To learn more about this super long dinosaur, just click here. Up next, Spinosaurus. One of the biggest carnivores ever. It was actually bigger than T-Rex. It was as long as a semi-trailer truck. How heavy was a Spinosaurus? It weighed as much as 3 elephants. Scientists think Spinosaurus could actually swim as well as walk. To learn more about this huge carnivore, click here. Our final dinosaur today is everybody's favourite, Triceratops. Triceratops was as big as a dump truck. And it weighed as much as 2 fully grown elephants. It had 3 horns on its face, 2 large ones, and a small one that was made of the same stuff that's in fingernails. To learn more about Triceratops, just click here. We hope you enjoyed learning about all the dinosaur sizes. Please make sure you subscribe to see more dinosaur videos. Bye T-Rex. Bye Brachiosaurus. Bye Velociraptor. Bye Stegosaurus. Bye Ankylosaurus. Bye Diplodocus. Bye Spinosaurus. And goodbye Triceratops.